Hi guys, let's solve this. So this is another percentage problem. The problem is, I'll read it aloud. A local company is throwing a holiday party. Some employees say they plan to come, and the rest fail to respond. On the day of the party, every person who said they were coming shows up. Additionally, 20% of the people who failed to respond show up as well, increasing the number of the people at the party by 8%. If no more than 200 people work at the company, find the greatest possible number of people at the party. Okay, so our constraint is that no more than 200 people work at the party, and 20% of the people who failed to respond um, are equal to 8% of the people that are at the party, or increased by 8%. Okay, so if we say there's the total number of people, there's the people who responded, and there's the people who failed to respond. We have every person who's coming shows up. So, responding people show up, plus 20% of the people who failed to respond increases the number of the people at the party by 8%. So it's equal to the number of people at the party originally times 1.08. Okay, so R plus 1/5 F is equal to, what is that? That's 108 over 100, which is 54 over 50, which is 27 over 25. Okay, um, so we have 1/5 F, F is equal to 2 out of 25 R, so F is equal to 2 out of 5 R. Okay, so that gives us our first constraint. That means that 5 must divide R. Or I guess that's our second constraint. Um, okay, so we just have this, and we know that R plus F is equal to 200. No, if no more than, oh, okay, yeah. Greatest possible number of people at the party. Um, so we just need to plug this in to maximize it. Let's just plug R plus 2/5 R is equal to 200. So 7/5 R is equal to 200. Add, multiply by 5, you get 1000. R is equal to 1000 over 7. Oh, I see what I did wrong. Um, R plus F have to be less than or equal to. 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 1000 over 7 is 142, right? 142.857. Is that correct? Yeah, because it'd be 700 plus, yeah. So 140 is equal to R, because that's the uh, closest, or closest multiple of 5 that's less than 1.142.857. 142.857. 142.857. I think that's the expansion. Okay. So if 140 is equal to R, then 2/5 of that, R is equal to 140, F is equal to 2/5 times 140, which is equal to 2 times 28, which is equal to 4056. So FR plus F is equal to 196, which is in fact less than 200. Let's make sure the other one holds. Then R plus 0.2F, so if R is 140, plus 1/5 times 56. So maybe this is not true. 5 must divide F. Does 5 needs to divide R? I think 25 must divide R. Because we're saying it must increase by 8%. Okay. So we know 5 must divide F. And let's say 25 needs to divide R. So if we scrap that, we say that R has to be equal to 125. Does that mean that F is equal to 2/5 times 125, which is equal to, what's a fifth of 125? 25, so 50. Okay, so we say 125 plus 1/5 times 50 is equal to 125 times 27 over 25. So 125 plus 1/5 of 50 is 10, is equal to divide 25 by divide 125 by 25. You get 5. 5 times 127 is 135. Yeah, so okay. The greatest number of people at the party is 175. Oh, no. That's the greatest number of people at the company. The greatest number of the people at the party is this thing, which is 135. Let me check. I'm pretty sure that's our answer. 135. I'll check. Yep, I got it right. We're on a roll. Wow. So right now we are on our third one. We're on 1-1-3. We have 3 wins and 0 losses. So we're on a good track. Hopefully that continues with the next topic. I don't know what that is yet, but I guess you guys will see tomorrow. Thank you guys for watching. I will see you guys tomorrow. Goodbye.